First language
First language, yes.
to my country.
Yes, in your country, your first language, like mother language.
How are you, my brother?
I'm fine. And what about you, brother?
I'm doing great, sir. Tell me.
I'm from India.
Okay. Nice to meet you, bro.
Nice to meet you. Where are you from, brother?
I'm from Tanzania.
Tanzania.
Yes.
Okay, bro. I don't know Tanzania.
You don't heard before my country?
No, brother. Today I first time I know you. Okay.
Okay. My country nearly to the Kenya, Uganda.
Uganda.
Like
Yes, I know. I
you
know.
hear.
I know Uganda.
Yeah. Yes, but my country is nearly to the Uganda and Kenya.
Okay. So, brother,
Yes.
what is your first language?
First language
First language, yes.
to my country.
Yes, in your country, your first language, like mother language.
Okay, mother language in my country is Swahili language.
Sorry?
Swahili language. We call
Swahili.
it Swahili. You can pronounce it like
Swahili.
Swahili language.
Yes. Brother, how are you means
Yes.
your mother language?
Do you mean my mother language is it's called Kihehe language.
Okay, so the very difficult language.
Yeah, you know, in my country I have many tribal here, so every tribe have has have their language. So we have a different language here.
Yes, in your country, I think many different type of language in your country.
Yeah, that's why we have a many tribal here. So every tribe use a different language. But my country, we use one language,
One
which is Swahili. Yeah, which
your
is Swahili
country,
language.
we use one language in your country.
Yes, we use one language to understand someone, but when you back on your tribal, you use your mother language.
Okay. So, brother, do you know India?
Yeah, I know India. Someone called somewhere called the um in I don't know
Okay,
how
sorry.
can you pronounce
No
it.
problem. Okay. So, brother, what time is it now?
But
What time is it now?
time is it now is I think is 20 and
12,
uh 20 and
10,
33
10,
minutes
10,
PM.
33 p.m.
20, 20 and 33 minutes.
Okay, 23,
Yeah, 20.
20.
20.
Okay.
Yes.
You know,
PM.
in our country, like it is time 11:23 minutes. 11:23.
So it's evening now?
No, it's night. Night time.
Okay, it's night. 11. We will say PM?
11 p.m. 11:23 p.m.
Okay. So
Like
do you
midnight. Like
mean
it's called midnight.
Yes, I like to say that it's midnight.
Yes. And your country,
Okay, for
actually, what time is it now? Like evening time or morning time or afternoon time now?
okay, it's night, but not a midnight.
Okay, understood.
Yeah, that's that. Yes, it's night, but not a midnight. It's a normal night that we move from uh, say, 7 p.m. To go to 8 p.m. like that.
7 p.m. or 8 p.m. like that. Okay. So, brother, what's your
Yeah.
name basically?
My name is Defao.
Defao Ohana.
Yes,
Defao
correct, correct.
Wahamachimata.
Defao Yohana
Okay.
Kimata.
Are you
Yeah.
Muslim or
No, I'm a Christian.
okay, you are a Christian?
Of course, of course.
Okay.
Um,
So, brother, actually, time actually off. So, nice to meet you. Good night. Thank you.
okay. Also for me, nice to meet you, bro. But you don't give me a chance to ask something from you.
Okay, okay.
Yes, I need to. I want to ask that. Okay, time is up, my brother.
Okay, okay, no problem. Thank you. Next time, see you.